So, building blocks, data providers. As I said earlier, data provider is a property of a list-based control, which is of type object, which is going to hold the data that you are supplying to your control, that you are supplying to your list-based control, which is going to be displayed in your UI. It provides a level of abstraction between the data and the component, which means irrespective of your data sources change, the control doesn't need to be updated, doesn't need to be take care of the data. The data can be changed from outside. The view will get automatically be updated. Okay. And the another point is you can be able to share the same data provider among multiple components. You may want to have two kind of report grids in your application, but both the grids want to share the same data source, but the interpretation, by using the interpretation techniques of collections, suppose you are assigning a collection object as a data provider to your control. By using the interpretation techniques, methods of the collection object, you can show different kinds of data from the same data source in two different controls. That's what mentioned over here. Same data provider can be shared among multiple components. And another point over here is, again I'm going to the same point, that is data providers can be switched at a runtime. Suppose if you are looking for a stock market exchange kind of application in which the data can be changed, continuous data change will be there. So the data providers can be switched at runtime. So as I said earlier, the data provider property is of type object. So what are the data models available? What are the possible data models available in Flux that can be set as a data provider to a list based control? First one is array. Array is a raw data object, which means it is useful. It is useful for simple static and inline data providers. We'll see what does an inline data provider later while we are making an workout exercise. And the next one is collection.